Hello boss, hello friends, this is Vimy, your auto exporter from China. Look, this car is Jetta VS5 black color, 1.4 turbo engine, 5-door 5-seat SUV. Let's have a look at the interior. This is the steering wheel, the dashboard, automatic gear shift. Here is the cup holder and storage box. The seat is leather. Let's have a look at the rear seat. Look, the rear seat can pull down, and to keep the trunk is big spacious. Let's have a look at the trunk. Very big space. It's suitable for family use. This is black color. We also have white color or gray color. We can export Jetta VS5, VS7, and VS8. Do you need? Welcome, contact us.